Alright guys, now showing on your screen is a $50 no deposit bonus which I claimed and started trading immediately. And you can see right here my trade is still running and I'm in profit. And you can see I just decided to scalp a little bit, and I think I've been able to trade over a lot size, and because the requirement is for you to trade 4 lot size just in a day of claiming the bonus. And you can see right here, you can see the profit I'm making with the $50 deposit account. Now if you haven't joined my Telegram channel, there's a link in the description, and also there's a link in the comment section which I'll pin to the top, where you'll be able to click on and join my Telegram channel. Now you can see right here on the screen there's a withdrawal proof from this bonus also, which someone have been able to make withdrawal. And I would have made this video like 3 days ago, but I was actually waiting to be credited. Now I've been credited and I've started trading. Today is Friday. I traded today and I'm in profit. Now click on the link which I'll be adding to the description, which should actually take you to my Telegram channel, where you'll be able to claim this, where you'll be able to click on the link that will take you to claim this site. Now the link will actually bring you to this aspect where you can see details about the site. You can see every details about the site right here, and at the top of the site you can see they're actually continuing the legacy of fundedness, and I'm sure a lot of us actually know about fundedness. Alright, so once you click on register in the first page of the link, it will bring you to this aspect where you have to fill in every of your details correctly. Now you can see this aspect right here where you have to input your first name, you input your last name, the country where you're from, and this part right here is where you're going to input your mobile phone number, and there's a section where you input your email for verification. And if you scroll to the bottom, also there are other details, but let me quickly fill in this one right here. Let me input my name and my phone number and the country where I'm from. And you can see right here in this aspect I already input my email already. And the next section you can see there's a space for you to create a password, a login password, which you'll be using to log in into the site. And I just did that right here. I just fill in my details and click on this box to agree on their terms and condition. There are actually 2 aspects for the terms and condition, and you click on register to proceed to the next page. Now after filling every details correctly, you click on register, and you see a code has been sent to your email, which you'll be using to verify the email which you input down for verification. Now I'm actually going to go to my email to confirm the code, and the code, we're actually going to copy the code, bring it back to the main site to confirm it for the confirmation of our email address. Now this aspect right here, you can see it. I'm actually trying to get the code right here. Now for yours, once you get the code, you take it back to the site, input it into the aspect which you just viewed earlier, and it will log you into this section right here. You'll be having something like this on your screen. Now you can see mine. Alright, now once you get to this aspect, you can see it right here. The next thing you need to do is to verify your details. Once you verify your details, automatically an account will be created on your behalf, and you'll be credited with the $50 no deposit bonus. Now right here you click on this aspect right here that said complete your profile, and immediately you click on it, it will take you to the section where you have to upload your identification for verification. You have to upload your ID and every details you can use to make verification. Now you click on this aspect after going through the site, and at the end I will be showing you my conversation with their support concerning the terms and conditions, which is pretty easy, and I'm sure you don't want to miss out on this. Now once you click on it, it brings you to this next section where you see you have to complete this 3-step of verification. Now the first step, you have to continue filling details about your personal self. Now you can see at the bottom right here your level of education, your language preference, your nationality, the zip code, the city where you're from, your address, and date of birth, and at the top you can see the gender. And you can see beside it there's this aspect where you're going to fill also your work and preference. You have to fill details about that, and the third details you need to fill is about your financial information. Now completing every of this verification, by the time you're done completing this verification, you have to upload your ID. Completing these 3, once you finish completing each details, you click on next. Now after these 3 steps, you have to submit your ID for verification. Now once you're done with all this process of verification, you would have one green icon in your main screen to show that you have been verified. I would show you mine, but before that, I think when I was doing mine, I had to start support, and it got to this aspect where I was given a link where I clicked on to and input my email address, and as you can see right here, see claim your early sign up bonus. Once you just input the address, they will send you login details into the email address you input right here. That was when I was doing mine. I think it's now easy now. It's now easy at the moment. Once you just verify your details, they will give you the $50 no deposit bonus account automatically. Now this aspect, I'll be taking you to the main menu right now, and I'm sure you can see this sign that says full. That means you have been verified. Now for mine, I actually copied this account details, this ID right here that shows ID. I copied it to my MT5 and also generated the password which I'll be using right here. So I took these details to my MT5, but let me quickly give you a brief review about the terms and conditions. Now I started support, and you can see right here the terms and conditions you need to take proper note of. Now the very first one is for you to trade 4 standard lot size, and you can see the next one, the currency pairs which is available to trade. And also this bonus will be removed if you don't trade it for a specified number of days, which have not been announced yet, but they'll be announcing it very soon. You can see it here at this aspect right here. And every other details, just make sure you take your time to go through the terms and conditions properly. But I can assure you there's no need for deposit, and there's also a withdrawal proof from this same bonus. I'm sure you don't want to miss out on it, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share, and leave a comment in the comment section about your favorite trading pairs. And as you can see at the beginning of this video, I traded mostly on gold, and you can see I made a lot of profit from trading gold. Now it's either you scalp, or you swing trade, or you do a lot. Just don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. Have a nice day, guys.